Hello everyone, welcome to our step-by-step guide on placing an order in our shopping cart for Pattupavadai. We are introducing the ultimate shopping cart app for salespersons, sales agents and customers. This shopping cart is designed to supercharge your sales process. In this video, we will walk you through the simple and seamless process of selecting your favorite products, adding them to your cart, and successfully completing your order. To get started, open the shopping cart app on your device. You can either visit the website or open the mobile app. Once you have opened the app, look for the login. Type in your mobile number in the user ID field and then type your password. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. Now, take a moment to explore the various designs available. Swipe down to find the one that you want to order. Once you find a design you like, simply select it. This may lead you to a product page with detailed information. Once you select a product, simply tap on the Add to Cart button. As you add items to your cart, review your selected items. You can adjust quantities or remove items if needed. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Proceed to Checkout to move on to the next step in the process. Here, you'll need to provide some essential information to complete your order. Start by entering your shipping information. Make sure to fill all the required fields accurately. After entering all the details, click on Submit. At this point, the system allocates the selected items from the available inventory. This prevents other customers from purchasing the same items until the current transaction is completed. After successfully placing your order, you can preview and confirm the details of your order before completing the purchase. This preview serves as an acknowledgement of the items selected, quantities, prices, and other relevant information associated with the order. Thank you for watching.